My dear friends, every human being on this planet is gifted with the same 24 hours each day, regardless of age, wealth, status, or background. Time does not favor the rich over the poor or the famous over the unknown. It flows equally for everyone, quietly and consistently. What creates difference is not the amount of time we receive, but the way we choose to think about it and use it. When you believe you lack time, you unconsciously give away your power. When you realize that time is neutral and obedient to your intentions, you reclaim control of your life. Each hour becomes an opportunity to align your actions with your purpose. You can spend those hours reacting to the world, or you can invest them consciously in growth, learning, and inner peace. The moment you understand that your daily choices shape your destiny, time transforms from an enemy into a trusted companion, guiding you toward your highest potential. Success has never been about having more time than anyone else. It has always been about awareness and intention. When you tell yourself that success requires extra hours, you unknowingly postpone your own power. Time does not expand to reward desire, but it responds beautifully to clarity of purpose. When your inner vision is clear, even ordinary moments become sacred spaces for progress. A few mindful minutes, lived with focus and belief, can carry more power than long hours filled with distraction and doubt. Success flows from alignment, not from exhaustion. When your thoughts, actions, and values move in the same direction, time begins to work for you rather than against you. You stop chasing success and instead allow it to unfold naturally through conscious choices. In this awareness, time is no longer something you wait for. It becomes something you shape through disciplined thinking and inspired action. Time is far more valuable than money, possessions, or status, because it is the one resource that can never be replaced or recovered. Money can be earned again, opportunities can return, but every moment that passes is gone forever. When you truly understand this, you begin to treat each hour with respect and reverence. Time reflects your inner priorities. Whatever you give your time to becomes your life. When you invest time in fear, worry, or distraction, those energies grow stronger within you. When you invest time in awareness, service, and purposeful action, your life expands in meaningful ways. Time is not meant to be rushed or wasted, but consciously experienced. As Dr. Wayne Dyer often taught, how you live each moment is how you live your life. By honoring time as your most precious asset, you naturally choose thoughts and actions that support growth, peace, and fulfillment. Successful people understand that priorities are not found, they are chosen. They do not allow the outside world to dictate how their time and energy are spent. Instead, they look inward and decide what truly matters to their growth, values, and sense of purpose. When priorities are clear, confusion fades and action becomes effortless. You stop scattering your energy on things that do not nourish your spirit or move you forward. Each choice becomes intentional rather than habitual. In this state of awareness, saying no becomes an act of self-respect, not guilt. What you place first in your life expands because attention is a form of energy, and when your priorities align with your highest intentions, time begins to organize itself around what is meaningful. You no longer feel busy or overwhelmed, you feel guided. This inner clarity is what separates those who merely stay occupied from those who truly succeed. Excuses are subtle habits of the mind that quietly drain your most precious resource without you even noticing. Each excuse may sound reasonable, even comforting, but together they create a life lived in delay. When you say, "I'll start tomorrow," you surrender the power of the present moment, which is the only place change can occur. Excuses shift responsibility away from your inner authority and place it on circumstances, people, or time itself. In doing so, you weaken your belief in your own ability to choose differently. Dr. Wayne Dyer often reminded us that you are not stuck. You are choosing even when you believe you are not. The moment you drop an excuse, you reclaim energy that was tied up in justification. Time begins to open when honesty replaces avoidance. By releasing excuses, you step into alignment with your true potential and allow purposeful action to replace delay. Self-discipline is not about force or punishment. It is about self-respect and conscious choice. It arises when you decide that your future matters more than your momentary comfort. Each time you honor a commitment to yourself, even in small ways, you strengthen your inner authority. Discipline is simply the practice of aligning your actions with your intentions again and again. When you live this way, you stop waiting for motivation, because motivation follows action, not the other way around. As Dr. Wayne Dyer taught, you become what you think about most, and disciplined thought leads to disciplined behavior. This inner mastery creates freedom rather than restriction. You no longer feel controlled by habits, moods, or external demands. Instead, you move through life with clarity and purpose. Through self-discipline, time becomes a tool for growth, and success becomes a natural expression of who you choose to be. Waking up earlier is not about competing with the clock, it is about choosing awareness before the world demands your attention. The early hours carry a quiet energy that invites clarity, intention, and presence. When you rise before distractions take over, you give yourself the gift of undisturbed time to connect with your thoughts, goals, and inner guidance. Even a small shift in your morning routine can open space for reflection, learning, or peaceful focus. Dr. Wayne Dyer often spoke of aligning with the natural flow of life, and mornings offer that alignment effortlessly. In these moments, the mind is calmer and the spirit more receptive. You begin the day responding from purpose rather than reacting to pressure. This simple practice gently expands your productive time without strain, creating a sense of control and balance that carries through the rest of your day. Distractions are not just external interruptions, they are invitations to drift away from the present moment. When your attention is constantly pulled in many directions, your energy becomes scattered, and your purpose loses clarity. Social media, endless notifications, and unnecessary noise can quietly consume hours while giving the illusion of connection or productivity. Dr. Wayne Dyer taught that where your attention goes, your life follows. When attention is given to distractions, progress slows and inner peace fades. Each distraction weakens your ability to stay aligned with what truly matters. Focus, on the other hand, is a spiritual practice as much as a practical one. It requires conscious choice and gentle discipline. By limiting distractions, you reclaim your mental space and restore your natural capacity to create and grow. In stillness and focus, time stretches, creativity deepens, and meaningful progress becomes effortless rather than forced. Procrastination is the subtle thief of life, quietly convincing you that there is always more time, that action can wait, and that the present moment is somehow less important. Each delay strengthens the habit of postponement and distances you from your true potential. Dr. Wayne Dyer often reminded us that the power of life exists in the now, not in some imagined future. When you procrastinate, you surrender this power, allowing fear, doubt, or comfort to dictate your choices. Days turn into weeks, weeks into months. And before you know it, opportunities have passed silently, leaving only regret. The key is to recognize that action is the natural antidote to procrastination. By starting, even imperfectly, you awaken momentum within yourself. Each small step taken in the present creates energy, clarity, and confidence, transforming what once felt overwhelming into achievable progress, and time into a faithful ally rather than an enemy. Perfection is an illusion that often paralyzes more than it empowers. Many people wait for the perfect moment or the perfect plan, not realizing that life unfolds in imperfection and in action. True success is not about flawless execution. It is about persistent effort and conscious alignment with your purpose. Dr. Wayne Dyer taught that when you focus on being authentic and consistent, the universe meets you halfway. Small, deliberate actions taken day after day create momentum far beyond what sporadic perfection could achieve. Waiting for everything to be ideal only keeps you stuck, while consistent effort, even with mistakes, leads to growth, learning, and unexpected breakthroughs. Consistency builds character, confidence, and trust in yourself. Each step forward, no matter how imperfect, strengthens your inner power and gradually shapes the life you desire. Success flows naturally when action replaces hesitation and persistence replaces perfection. Small actions, when repeated with intention, carry the extraordinary power to transform your life. Many people underestimate the effect of tiny steps, believing that only grand gestures or monumental efforts can create change. Dr. Wayne Dyer often emphasized that consistent, mindful action aligns you with the natural flow of the universe. Each small effort compounds over time, building strength, skill, and confidence in ways that are almost invisible at first. Plant a seed of discipline, learning, or kindness today, and nurture it daily, and soon it will grow into a tree of opportunity and achievement. Consistency turns ordinary moments into a pathway for extraordinary results. The key is not to be discouraged by how small a single action seems, but to recognize that repeated intention is the force that shapes destiny. Life responds to steady, purposeful effort far more than to occasional bursts of energy. Even 30 minutes of focused, conscious effort each day can become a powerful agent of transformation in your life. Many people underestimate the potential of small, deliberate actions, thinking that change requires monumental effort or perfect conditions. Dr. Wayne Dyer often reminded us that it is the quality of attention and the alignment of intention that matters most, not the quantity of time. When you dedicate even a short period to learning, creating, reflecting, or improving yourself, you plant seeds that grow quietly, steadily, and persistently. These small pockets of focused time accumulate like drops of water forming a river, eventually creating momentum that propels you toward your goals. What seems insignificant in a single day can, over weeks and months, become life-altering. The mind and spirit respond to consistent practice. Habits form, confidence grows, and opportunities begin to appear where before there seemed to be none. This is the power of conscious effort. It shifts your energy, sharpens your focus, and aligns you with the life you are capable of creating. Even when progress feels slow, remember that small, daily steps taken with intention are far more powerful than occasional, rushed efforts. In 30 minutes of dedication, you hold the ability to transform tomorrow, and the days after that, into a life of purpose, growth, and fulfillment. Rest is often misunderstood in our society as a luxury, a reward to be earned after long hours of work or effort. Yet, in reality, rest is a vital component of success, creativity, and inner harmony. Dr. Wayne Dyer frequently spoke about the importance of aligning with the natural rhythms of life, understanding that our bodies, minds, and spirits function best when given the time to recharge and restore. Rest is not wasted time. It is fertile ground where ideas incubate, insights emerge, and energy is renewed. Without rest, focus diminishes, decision-making falters, and the quality of our actions declines. Many people rush through life, mistaking busyness for productivity, yet it is in stillness that the mind becomes clear and the soul finds guidance. True success is sustainable only when it is balanced with periods of reflection, relaxation, and rejuvenation. Sleep, meditation, quiet walks, or simply moments of pause allow the subconscious mind to process experiences, solve problems, and cultivate creativity. These periods of rest restore clarity, making each action more purposeful and each decision more aligned with one's highest intentions. When you honor rest, you honor the body that carries you through life and the spirit that directs your choices. Dr. Dyer often emphasized that life is an exchange of energy. When you give your best, you must also allow time for renewal. Rest is not a sign of weakness. It is an act of wisdom. It ensures that when you act, you do so with vigor, insight, and presence. By integrating rest into your daily rhythm, you create a sustainable path to success, allowing your time and energy to flow in harmony with the natural order, and enabling you to live a life of fulfillment, creativity, and enduring accomplishment. Managing time wisely is not merely a practical skill. It is a reflection of how consciously we choose to live. Most people treat time as an endless resource, allowing it to slip through their fingers while chasing distractions, responding to urgent but unimportant matters, or giving energy to things that do not nourish their spirit. Dr. Wayne Dyer often reminded us that life unfolds in alignment with our thoughts and intentions, and time, as the most precious resource, reflects the quality of our inner focus. When we manage time with awareness, we reclaim control over our lives and create space for what truly matters: growth, purpose, relationships, and meaningful contribution. True time management begins with understanding that every moment is a choice. The way you spend each hour reveals what you value, and in turn, shapes the trajectory of your life. Those who succeed do not merely fill hours with activity, they intentionally direct their energy toward actions that align with their highest goals. Scheduling, prioritizing, and conscious planning are not rigid systems, but tools to ensure that life is guided by purpose rather than reaction. When you respect time, you respect yourself, because every moment invested consciously becomes an extension of your highest self. Another critical aspect of managing time wisely is the elimination of low-value distractions. Dr. Dyer often emphasized that where attention goes, energy flows. Unconscious scrolling, aimless consumption of media, and indulgence in unnecessary worry or negativity are all forms of time mismanagement. By setting boundaries and focusing on what truly matters, you allow your energy to be devoted to growth, creativity, and meaningful experiences. Wise time management also integrates balance. Life is not simply about action and productivity. It is also about rest, reflection, and connection. By recognizing the need for pauses, stillness, and nourishment, you create a sustainable rhythm that enhances effectiveness and well-being. Managing time wisely means choosing actions that serve long-term fulfillment over short-term gratification, aligning your daily decisions with the life you aspire to create. When you approach each day with intentionality, clarity, and respect for your time, you transform moments into milestones and your life into a conscious, meaningful journey that reflects your highest values and deepest aspirations. Choosing action over excuses is one of the most profound shifts a person can make in life. Excuses are subtle, often disguised as reasonable explanations, but in reality they are ways of avoiding responsibility and surrendering personal power. When you make excuses, you give away your ability to shape your own life. You place the outcome of your dreams in the hands of circumstances, other people, or uncontrollable events. Dr. Wayne Dyer often emphasized that you are not a victim of your life, you are the creator. Every excuse, no matter how small, weakens the energy that could otherwise be devoted to conscious action and personal growth. Action, on the other hand, is the language of empowerment. When you act, you align yourself with the creative force of the universe. Every intentional step you take, no matter how imperfect, moves you closer to the realization of your goals, transforms potential into reality. It is the bridge between thought and manifestation, between vision and experience. Even small acts of progress compound over time, creating momentum that carries you forward in ways you may not immediately recognize. Dr. Dyer taught that life responds to movement. When you act, you awaken opportunities, insights, and connections that remain dormant when you stand still, trapped by excuses. Choosing action over excuses also requires a shift in perspective. Life is not about waiting for perfect conditions or the right moment, because that moment will never arrive unless you create it. Action is not about eliminating fear, doubt, or uncertainty. It is about moving forward in spite of them. The presence of fear does not signal failure. It signals growth. Every courageous step taken, even in the face of discomfort, strengthens your inner authority and builds confidence. Excuses often masquerade as protection against risk, but in truth, they prevent you from experiencing the fullness of life. Action, even imperfect, is always more productive than the comfort of avoidance. In practical terms, choosing action over excuses requires awareness and discipline. It requires noticing when your mind begins to rationalize, delay, or distraction, and gently redirecting it toward intentional behavior. It is a daily commitment, repeated moment by moment, to honor your own potential and the gift of time. Dr. Dyer often highlighted that personal power exists in the present moment, and the only way to fully inhabit it is through action. By replacing excuses with decisions to act, you reclaim control of your destiny, activate your creativity, and begin to manifest the life you desire. Ultimately, the choice to act is a spiritual practice as much as a practical one. It is a declaration that you will no longer be a passive observer in your own life, but an active creator. It transforms obstacles into opportunities, fear into courage, and time into an ally rather than an enemy. By consistently choosing action over excuses, you align with your highest purpose, tap into your true potential, and create a life that reflects the power, clarity, and fulfillment that have always been within you. Each step forward, no matter how small, becomes a testament to your commitment to living consciously, intentionally, and fully. In life, time is the most precious resource we possess, and how we choose to use it determines the course of our journey. Success is not about having more hours, luck, or perfect conditions. It is about conscious choices, consistent effort, and alignment with our highest purpose. By prioritizing what truly matters, eliminating distractions, acting despite fear, and balancing effort with rest, we transform ordinary moments into meaningful progress. Every small, intentional step compounds into lasting growth, and every decision to act, instead of making excuses, strengthens our personal power. When we honor time, focus our energy, and live with purpose, we not only move closer to our goals, but we also create a life of fulfillment, clarity, and joy. In essence, mastering the use of our time is mastering the art of living.